boy. Let me hold your paw. Good boy.
You smell like Cindy's house.
Good boy. You're a good boy.
He smells like Cindy's house.
Do you say anything?
Mm-hmm.
He's so cute.
Want to hold him?
Sure.
There you go.
What? She's getting settled down. Come on.
He's looking at me. It's like, what's happening? He looked at me like, what's happening? Who's taking me? Is Gucci.
He's laughing.
Are you dipping at my hair?
Come
It's hard to see him. He's really dark.
Lick the lens. Lick the lens. Screen cleaner. Screen cleaner. Aren't you cute? You're so cute.
Aren't you just a cute extra? Good boy.
You should always congratulate when you're allowed to touch his paws.
Mm-hmm.
You should always congratulate him. Good boy.
Good boy.
You're heavy now.
I'm not heavy.
Oh God! Try holding him for a whole minute like this. He's starting to get heavy. Oh. He starts to get